I got 2 bags of rice boiling in the pot, and I've got some vacuum sealed pork ribs from Tommy's wild boar that he shot in Hawaii. We're gonna heat this up in the pot. I got barbecue sauce and stuff. I'm gonna save the head on this dolly and use it as bait for a big lake trout.
Sorry, didn't catch a fish on that.
Here, Nathan, you want some lunch?
Decided to try my fish. Let's start with that.
Oh, hold on. Okay, he's on there. Yeah, go get him. He's mad now. That is a beautiful lake trout. Nathan, you want a picture with that guy?
Yeah.
Right away. Okay. There we go, Nathan. Congratulations.
Is it a lake trout?
Put him back in that. Put him in the water. He is just barely 18 inches. He's the same size as that grayling. Now lay him down, but don't throw him. Just let him and hold him until he's ready to swim off on his own. Okay? There you go.
See, it's so cute when fish swim away.